Hi there, I want to give you this setup on what you're going to do with your smartphone to make it a colorimeter. So you saw what to download onto your phone, depending if you have what kind of smartphone you have. I have an iPhone. It's very old. It's an iPhone 5, so if this can do it, so can yours. You can see that I've set up with my color paper in the background. You'll have to choose the correct color for yours. I have a green solution that I'm working with today. I've also got tape here to prop up my phone. Once I set it up, I don't want to change my system because that's going to change how it actually records it. I want my phone to stay in one spot and the light to stay in one spot. And you're going to have to move your cuvette. I'm not going to because I got all my camera set up here, but I put green tape down and then I marked on the green tape and traced around exactly where I put my cuvette so I can go back there every single time. Now, I think you're going to have a time reading the numbers off of my phone because it is so small, so you'll have to trust me here. Right now on the red, since I've got red here, I'm trying to see how much is the red absorbed with my green. Right now with the red, it says red is 72. I'm going to suck some of this dark green out. Now you're going to actually measure things and record things. This is not how you're going to do it. You're going to have your different solutions set up and you'll pour them in your cuvette. But for ease of my camera's work here, this is as good as I can figure by myself. I'm shooting in some just pure water. And now if I take a look at my R value, it says 107, 108. It used to be in the 70s, now it's in the hundreds. I am now sucking out more. And I'm making it more dilute by adding more water. Like I said, it started in the 70s with that dark green, then it went to the hundreds, and now it's looking at 132. So this is starting to make sense because what that's saying is I can see more of the red intensity. What this colorimeter or the colorimeter that we're kind of using is it's telling us how red is the color that it sees. Now you can see, I'm not sure if you can actually, but there's a little like square, and that's what the phone is actually reading, what color the phone is reading, and it's directly onto my cuvette here. And I do have the light on my phone to shine bright enough so I can see everything. So as I'm diluting this green color, my phone is able to pick up more of the red color, which makes sense, which is why my red is now becoming a bigger number as I go. Yours should do that too. If it doesn't, I would have to say you have to finagle with how you would do your setup, because at first mine didn't work either, and that's when I kept moving my phone and I didn't have the light on. That's when things got kind of messy. So you'll have to kind of check how you want to do yours. But I would suggest my most successful one is if I have everything set up and all I would move is the cuvette and put it right back exactly where it belongs, because you want that target the same every time.